Hello and welcome to another episode of Laptop Retrospective, and today I have a ThinkVision M14 essentially portable monitor. I am about to embark in the July months in a project for work doing a lot of document flipping, referencing things. It's just going to be a lot of work. And I have to cart in everything that I'm going to use on this project in and out every single day. We're not going to have access to any kind of desktop technology, partly due to COVID, partly due to just the nature of the project. So I'll be hauling my computer, but I thought to myself, you know, if I'm going to be ultimately productive, having that second screen somehow is going to be the way to go. And because I had to purchase this practically immediately within a week, I knew that I would be safe chasing this guy down. I've actually seen a lot of people that I follow on Twitter tease me with this particular model, and it's like, okay, I'm not going to go wrong with this. So rather than playing the research game and trying to find all the different portable monitor options, I'm like, no. We're going to go with the ThinkVision's solution to this. So I actually got this on eBay, still sealed, brand new in the box for, I think it was 240 Canadian dollars, which is, in my mind, a pretty good buy. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and see what we got going on the inside. And so long as I don't need any additional cables, if it comes with them, we should be able to try it out as well. So we'll slit the tape and lift the box. Just in case you didn't know how to open the box, there are 4 instructions on what you need to do. Open the box, remove this, remove that, and there you go, monitor. All right, this is looking pretty good so far. Inside we have this instructional card, which we shall see if we actually need, but it's got a whole bunch of other languages on here, which is good if you need that. We gotta have ourselves a protective sleeve, so that's a good start. I don't know what that is yet. That is a clip of something, so we'll put that off to the side. I'm guessing that this is the box of many cables. So that's USB Type-C, and that's empty. Then we've got some padding we'll put off to the side, and there's the monitor. Wow, that's thinner than even I was expecting. Like, check that out. I don't even have tablets that are that size. So this should just fold down. And there you go. Instant monitor. So let's clear away some of the packaging materials and see what it's like to use this thing. All right, so before we actually plug it in, it's probably good to do a tour of the device. So over here we actually have a low blue light filter button, a brightness control, I believe, a power display port plug, and on the other side we have the power button, Kensington lock, and another power display port plug as well. And on the bottom we have this kickstand. So if you need that additional elevation for the screen, you've got it, which is excellent. I'm not entirely sure what that strip of red is for. Like, it obviously invokes a lot of ThinkPad design, but or maybe it's just to tell you that you can do that. I'm not sure. Let's plug it in. I've got my Surface Book 2 just off to the side there that we'll be using for this. And I'll plug one end of the USB Type-C cable that's provided in the packaging, and plug the other end in here. And we did have the screen flash over here with the Lenovo logo, and there we go. Wow, that looks crazy sharp. You know, it's only a 920 by 1080 panel, but that's great. That does everything that you would expect it to do. It clones the display perfectly. You know, that's just wow. It's not a touch screen, but you know what? That's totally fine. It doesn't have to be. The fact that we have such a compact package is great. Like I am so pleased. It just, you plug it in, it works. What else do you want it to do? So that's with the blue light reduced, presumably to reduce eye strain, which is, I guess, a nice feature. I don't know if I'm really worried about that. But if you are, then know that it has it. This is fantastic. If you need one of these, highly recommended. You know, what else can you say? It works. You plug it in, it does what it's supposed to do, and this feels really robust. The hinge feels very, very stiff. The text and everything on the screen is very, very clean. You still have that USB Type-C essentially acting as a pass-through, so if you need to plug in other accessories, then you can go ahead and do that still. So you're not losing any functionality if you've only got the one USB Type-C port. At any rate, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy this sort of content. If you do have any questions about the M14, please feel free to leave them in the comment section down below there. And as I use this, I will let you know how it goes. Like, I will be transporting this every single day, and you know what? The weight feels just perfect. It's not any heavier than, say, a little folio or clipboard. It weighs significantly less than my Surface Book 2, which is a huge plus as well. Or if you'd like to see updates after I've used this for a few weeks, I'm going to encourage you to do the big four. Please like the video, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so the next time I release a video on this monitor, you'll be the first to know about it. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time.